Hey, this is Dr. A with a quick vlog for you. Today I want to talk about managing office politics. I have been teaching an administrative assistance conference for the past month and will be for the next few months. And by far the track that most people come to is the track on dealing with office politics. The first thing that I tell them is that you cannot stop office politics. And it requires a mind shift to understand that all office politics are not necessarily bad. Office politics can be good. So with that as the backdrop, I want to give you 5 quick tips to help you deal more effectively with office politics. The first thing that you want to do is learn how to fit in. Figure out how to fit in. Here's what I mean. If you're the person who's always sitting in your office, you never come out, you never have lunch with other people, you're always by yourself in your cubicle, you are creating you are projecting that you're not a part of the team. Figure out how to fit in. Go to lunch with people that you don't know. Start to learn more about them. Number 2, manage and control your pride. We do not like to be criticized. It's one of those things that human nature, we just push back when someone criticizes us. Understand that when you're being criticized in the workplace, it's not always that you've done something poorly. It could very well mean it's a lesson for you so that you can learn how to do something better. That's the shift. Learning how to do something better. So what I'm saying is that when you are criticized, I want you to step back and ask yourself, what's the lesson here? And take your pride out of it. Number 3, understand that we all have bad days. All of us have bad days. So if you walk past Melissa and Melissa does not speak to you, it's not because Melissa doesn't like you. It might be because Melissa is dealing with an aging parent. She might be dealing with a wayward child. She could be in a relationship that's giving her pure hell. She might be up against a deadline and trying to figure out, how in the heck am I going to make this happen? You see, when we forget that we all have bad days, then we take those kinds of things in the workplace, someone not speaking to us, personally. And the truth of the matter is, that person is probably not even thinking about you. So again, start to understand that we all have bad days. You have bad days too. Be understanding. It was Stephen Covey who said that one of the 7 habits of a highly effective person is to seek first to understand, then to be understood. Strive to make friends with your colleagues. And I'm not saying you have to be BFFs and, hang out with them all the time and go to happy hour or church or whatever, but move to a place where in the workplace, you make an effort to understand people. Understand the office dynamics and your office culture. Who's the person with the influence? Who's the person that's the go-to person? Who's the person that has power but they don't use that power? Start to become a student of your office environment and your office culture so that you can understand the people that you're working with. And finally, number 5. Look for the good in people. There's an old saying that you will always find what you're looking for. So if you start to look at Melissa differently, you're going to see something different. Maybe she is a little bit abrasive, but the other side of it is that she always brings good ideas to the table. She's creative. So look for the good in people. So there you have it. 5 quick tips to help you manage office politics. This is Dr. Angela reminding you that we all have gaps. We have financial gaps, we have relationship gaps, we have work environment gaps. We all have gaps, and it's our job to close those gaps. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next vlog.